Hello Simi, welcome to the show.
Hey Supreet.
बहुत सी बातें करनी है फैशन पे, but first up, I'm very intrigued कि आपका take क्या है on the Twitter giri that's going all around.
Oh my God, I think I so don't want to be on Twitter, and I tried that. I'm like, I don't want to be on Twitter, but you have no escape because every TV channel, every newspaper is tweeting on their behalf. It's like, अगर आप Twitter पर नहीं भी जा रहे हो, तो TV channels दिखा रहे हैं, newspapers दिखा रहे हैं. There's no escape, so I'm back.
But how about drawing a line? कोई भी न्यूज होती है, अच्छी है, बुरी है, अपने बारे में है, फैमिली के बारे में, पड़ोसी के बारे में, सब कुछ ट्विटर पे जाता है.
I beg to differ. You said कोई भी न्यूज होती है, even न्यूज नहीं होती है. So whether they're burping, they're yawning, whatever they're doing, they're bang on Twitter
With pictures.
Yeah.
Images go up like right away.
Yes.
I mean, talking of that, Malika Sherawat ने अभी अपनी recently picture डाली थी जो that was quite something.
Supreet, I want to interrupt you here right now. You're letting her succeed. She was hoping she would make it to this show. Probably that's why she did it. And you're doing that. Change the subject.
But I don't know what to do. See, I mean, this is our job, right? Media, follow news, and now news is following us. I have no idea what's going on.
Follow stars.
Right, let's talk about the stars then. How about Amitabh Bachchan tweeting all the way, voicing?
Yes, absolutely. I agree with you. And the irony here is, Supreet, all my life as a journalist, I've only heard one thing from the stars is like, privacy, 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 leave us alone. हमें privacy नहीं मिलती. It's the price you pay for stardom. And हम भी ऐसे ही justify करते थे कि it's okay, it's either stardom or nothing. So, say bye-bye to your privacy. And they used to always complain. And now when I look back, I'm like, it's such a sham. They must have loved everything that we wrote about them. Every time we supposedly invaded their privacy, they must have been praying that we did. Because look at them today. It's like कोई भी star आज अगर वो अपनी film नहीं promote कर रहा है, I think they spend half their life promoting movies and going for promotional events where the media is present. And I think they have no life without that. तो अगर मैं उनकी जगह होती, I would say, okay, I'm getting a breather. Let me just have a quiet time, like, my own time where I'm not dealing with the press, I'm not dealing with fans, and nobody's watching me. But here it's like, okay, if you're not watching me, follow me. And they're on Twitter. I can't believe it. They talk about privacy and यहाँ पे अपने कुत्तों के नाम बताएंगे, कुत्तों के कितने बच्चे हुए वो बताएंगे, कुत्ते के कितने नाखून हैं कुत्ते के वो बताएंगे. It's like they don't want the privacy. Arjun Rampal, I don't know if it was part of a gimmick or what. He apparently posted his number on Twitter and, people were calling him on his cell phone. And it's like they talk about anything and everything and they just won't stop. So basically it tells me that they're obsessive, they're self-obsessed, and they just can't handle being out of the limelight. They just love it. The media following them, the fans following them. I think fans एक बहाना है. Basically, it's the media. Because कुछ भी tweet करते हैं, वो media पे आ जाता है and they're just loving every minute of it. They are hypocrites when they say they want privacy and they're media shy and, that they're not loving every bit of the publicity they get. Because अगर हम एक मिनट भी उनको break देते हैं, तो वो tweet करने शुरू हो जाते हैं.
But it's just not about connecting with the fans या media के लिए अगर उनकी सुने या उनकी नजर से देखें, so they're also like connecting with their friends. For example, Kajol has a baby.
Do you believe
what
that?
happens? Everybody gets on Twitter, congratulations,
yeah, sure.
And I don't know if there was any hospital visit or just anything.
Yeah.
But it just gets very weird. I mean, this is the news you would probably expect people to come and deliver rather than just tweet.
I just want to ask you a question. Supposing I had a baby tomorrow, what would you do? Would you come and see me in the hospital?
I would like to, but it looks like it's Twitter is the coolest thing to do.
Maybe you would text me, that's probably more personal, but Twitter, I would be really upset. So if I have a baby or some kind of surgery, God forbid, and if you tweet me, I'm going to kill you.
How about the best friends doing it? Shah Rukh Khan wishing Kajol on Twitter.
Can I ask you a question back? That's weird. I mean, seriously, if this is not craving for publicity, what is? It's like बच्चा किसी और के घर पे हो रहा है, publicity मैं खा रही हूँ. That's what Shah Rukh is doing. I mean, let me ask you a question. If you had to have a baby, you think your sister or your brother or somebody like really from family or say your mom, would they go on Twitter? Like, did Tanuja go on Twitter and say, hey, baby Kajol, I'm so happy you have a baby?
Yeah, it's very impersonal. Totally.
Yeah, I think it's like totally like, everybody's tweeting, so मैं क्यों पीछे रहूं? Come on, let me do it too.
तो ये जो मैं क्यों पीछे रहूं है, इसमें stars तो समझ आते हैं. Wannabes कहाँ घूम रहे हैं?
वो क्यों बेचारे क्यों पीछे रहे? वो कहीं तो आगे बढ़े. Like राखी सावंत को कौन पूछेगा? Unless she's tweeting about Salman and Katrina's love life, like we were saying on Tantalize yesterday, कि she's talking about Salman and Katrina and everything. We wouldn't be talking about her here. And बेचारी, she has no work. So at least this way she's getting some news.
And what do you think of Sherlyn Chopra's attempt?
Easily. I mean, if they don't put all these semi-nude or kind of almost nude pictures on Twitter or whichever, social networking site, it's not going to work for them. They're going to be forgotten. That's the only way they're staying afloat. And it has worked. Malika Sherawat was fishing for work for 2 years. उन्हें कोई पिक्चर नहीं मिली. बेचारी यहाँ थी तो कहती थी मैं हॉलीवुड में हूँ. हॉलीवुड को शायद कहती थी कि मैं बॉलीवुड में हूँ. And finally, after tweeting and tweeting and tweeting, उन्हें एक पिक्चर तो मिल ही गई ना.
And जो picture उन्होंने post की है, the photograph, that's something as well in terms of the whole.
Yeah, well, I'm not gay. I'm not interested.
Well, Simi, मुझे तो डर है ऐसे चलता रहा तो अगली बारी हमें Twitter पे ही बात करनी पड़ेगी.
The next time you need to fix the time of the show, tweet me.
Will do.